documenting again clear pattern of behaviour. Just getting ready to leave my house. As you can hear, my door was closed and everything. And look, they're hovering around. Not down there, not anywhere else in London, but directly over my house. Look, I'm just about to leave my house. See, Secret Service, look. Absolutely obsessed with this area, exactly as my book says, guys. Secret Service helicopter, guys, come on. Over the house of an author who's got a fictional secret department of the police helicopter on the front of his cover. Look at this. See what I mean? This is Citizen Frame Live, look. They set the character up, David Phoenix, so that he always has all this heat on him. How do they set him up? Well, constantly throughout the day, they put people, thugs, cronies, exactly as I say it in my book. They associate with him with these characters constantly. Look. Listen to this. They're right over my house, guys, as I'm about to leave. Look. Can you do about it? It's just lawless. Lawless Britain, and circling outside my house. Secret Service. Actually circling around, guys. As I'm about to open my front door and walk out my front door. Look, they're not going past. Look. They're not going past. They're actually circling above my house. Who even knows what capabilities they've got on such a helicopter like that? Secret Service. They're involved in all kinds of strange things. Here's the footage again, guys. They're not protecting you from nutcases and crazy people carrying weapons and causing all kinds of awful crimes. This is what they're doing. Look, spending hundreds of thousands. Look, this is what they're doing. Circling an empty area. NWA. That's what they're doing with our taxpayers' money. Absolutely disgraceful, guys. Targeting innocent members of the public. You think this is far-fetched? Go and review what's going on in America. The exact same thing happened. They've been weaponized, you see. That's why I wrote my book.